Exercise 2.2, question number 15. If tan inverse of x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus tan inverse of bracket x plus 1 upon x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4, then find the value of x. Okay, so we'll start solution. So here this is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to pi by 4. What is the formula for tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y? Tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Here we will assume that the product of these two is less than 1. After finding the value of x, then we'll put here and we'll verify. Okay, verification is important because of the reason that we are assuming that the product is less than 1. Okay, so tan inverse of x plus this is y upon 1 minus x into y is equal to how much? Pi by 4. Okay, now this tan inverse I am taking to that side, so that will be 10 pi by 4, that will be 1. Okay, so in this bracket I am taking LCM, so x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x plus 1 into x minus 2. What is the common LCM? In the numerator also LCM is x minus 2 into x plus 2, and in denominator also the LCM is x minus 2 into x plus 2, so that will get cancelled, upon x minus 2 into x plus 2, here I am taking the LCM, minus x minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to what? 10 pi by 4. So therefore now I will expand x into x, x square, plus x into 2, 2x, minus 1 into x minus x, minus into plus minus, 2 ones are 2, plus here I will expand x into x, x square, minus 2x plus x minus 2, whole divide by, what is x minus 2 into x plus 2? X square minus 4, minus, what is x minus 1 into x plus 1? X square minus 1. Here I have kept a bracket. Why? Because outside is minus. So what is the value of 10 pi by 4? 1. So what we are getting, x square plus x square, 2x square, 2x minus 2x get cancelled, minus x plus x also will get cancelled, then minus 2 is how much? Minus 4, upon x square minus 4 minus x square plus 1 is equal to how much? 1. Now this x square will get cancelled, so what we are getting, 2x square minus 4 upon how much? Minus 4 plus 1, minus 3 is equal to 1. So therefore I am getting 2x square minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Now this minus 4 will, this minus 3 into 1 will be minus 3, minus 4 will go to that side, so it will be what? Plus 1, plus 4, so that will be 4 minus 3, that is equal to how much? 1. So therefore x square is equal to how much? 1 by 2. So therefore x is equal to how much? Plus or minus 1 by root 2. So we are getting two values of x, either plus 1 by root 2 or minus 1 by root 2. So here verification is important. We will see whether these values are satisfying this equation or not, because we have assumed here what? Xy is less than 1. Okay, so now I am doing the verification. First, for x equals to 1 by root 2, what is LHS? Tan inverse of 1 by root 2 minus 1 upon 1 by root 2 minus 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by root 2 plus 1 upon 1 by root 2 plus 2. So that is equal to tan inverse of, now take LCM. In numerator also LCM is root 2 and denominator also LCM is root 2. So 1 minus root 2 upon 1 minus 2 plus tan inverse of, again here also will take the LCM. So 1 plus root 2 upon 1 plus 2. Now what I am doing, that you see, tan inverse of, in numerator and denominator I will take minus common. Why? Because root 2 is a greater number than 1, and same way 2 root 2 is a number greater than 1. So root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 minus 1 plus tan inverse of, here also I will write the bigger value first, root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 plus 1. Okay, so this value I have taken minus common from numerator and denominator and get cancelled. Okay, now this is x and this is y. So tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to what? There are three formulas. Tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy when xy is less than 1 is equal to pi by 2 when xy is equal to 1, and tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy plus pi when xy is greater than 1. So here we have to check the product of these two. So I check root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 plus 1. So that is equal to how much? Numerator will be a minus b into a plus b, means a square minus b square, means root 2 square is 2 minus 1 square is 1 upon same a minus b into a plus b. So 2 root 2 square, that is 8, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8, minus 1 square is 1. So 2 minus 1, 1 by 7, which is less than 1. So here we will apply what? Tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus x y, because of this reason, because the product is less than 1, the product of these two is less than 1. So that is equal to tan inverse of. Now when we take LCM, what is the common LCM? Both numerator and denominator both are having same LCM, common LCM. Okay, so that will get cancelled. So here what will get? Root 2 minus 1 into what? 2 root 2 plus 1 plus root 2 plus 1 into what? 2 root 2 minus 1. This will be multiplied by this and this will be multiplied by this upon 2 root 2 minus 1 into 2 root 2 plus 1 will be multiplied with 1 minus numerator as it is, second term, root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1. So that is equal to, we are getting tan inverse of, now expand, root 2 into 2 root 2, root 2 into 2 root 2, 4, root 2 root 2, 2, 2 into 4, root 2 ones are root 2, minus 1 into root 2 root 2, minus 2 root 2, minus 1, plus root 2 into 2 root 2, again 4, then root 2 into 1, minus root 2, plus into minus minus, plus 2 root 2, 1 into 2 root 2, plus into minus minus, 1 ones are 1, whole divide by 2 root 2 minus 1 into 2 root 2 plus 1, means a minus b into a plus b, that we already know, that is 8 minus 1. Here I will get what? 2 root 2 square, that is 8 minus 1. Minus here again root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1, that is root 2 square, 2 minus 1. So we are getting tan inverse of, see which terms are getting cancelled, root 2 minus root 2, then minus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 minus 1, 7, minus 1, 6. Here 8 minus 1 is 7, minus 2 minus 1 is 1. So that is equal to tan inverse of 6 upon 6, that is equal to tan inverse of 1, 7 minus 1, 6. Okay, so what is tan inverse of 1? Pi by 4. Is it coming RHS? Yes, it is coming RHS. So therefore what you will say, 1 by root 2 is one of the solution. Therefore x is equal to 1 by root 2 is a solution. Now for second value coming here, for x is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Again you start with LHS. What is LHS? Tan inverse of x. X means what? Minus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 upon x minus 1 by root 2 minus 2 plus tan inverse of minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by root 2 plus 2. Okay, so that is equal to tan inverse of, taking LCM, minus 1 minus root 2 upon minus 1 minus 2 root 2 plus tan inverse of minus 1 plus root 2 upon minus 1 plus 2 root 2. So that is equal to, now minus common and cancel, so I will get what? Tan inverse of root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 plus 1 plus, again here also I will take minus common and get cancelled, so root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 minus 1. Now you see this term is nothing but this one, tan inverse of root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 minus 1 plus tan inverse of root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 plus 2. Here it should be 2, yes, minus 1, here I have done silly mistake, minus 2, or here we have done, okay, it is correct only, 2 root 2 plus 1. Okay, so again I am checking, tan inverse of root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 minus 1, okay, plus tan inverse of root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 plus 1. Yes, it is correct only. Okay, so that value already we have checked here. How much? Pi by 4. So if that is equal to, I can say pi by 4. because of case 1, because, or you can give the number, here you give the number because of the above case, or you can say because of above case, or you can give the number, or you can give the number 1. Okay, so that is nothing but what, this pi by 4 is nothing but what, RHS. So again here also I can say, x equal to minus 1 by 2 is a solution, minus 1 by root 2 is a solution. So therefore there are two values of x, therefore x is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2 is a solution.